Alright you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do the front brakes on a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the two 14mm caliper bolts. Then we're going to go ahead and compress the piston. Go ahead and get this caliper out of the way. Then we're going to go ahead and take loose the two 17mm bolts that hold on the bracket back here. Then, like always, we're going to go ahead and change out the hardware. I'm going to go ahead and put a thin layer of lube on the hardware and the slide pins. Then on these rotors we have two screws right here and here that we have to take out. The bad part about these screws is they never want to come out like they should, except in this case right now apparently. Hey. Yep. You're fine. Is that the wiper motor? Go ahead and take off this rotor. And then grab our new one and slide it on. Then we're going to put our two little screws back in. Then we're going to go ahead and find that slide pin I threw across the shop earlier on accident. Loop that one in, up. Put it back on the bracket. Then we can go ahead and bolt our bracket back up. Go ahead and slide our new pads back in. We'll go ahead and put our caliper back on and tighten down those two caliper bolts. And there we go, that's all there is to it. That's how we do a front brake job on a 2014 Hyundai Elantra.